Now let us see mode for continuous frequency distribution. As I told you in last video, continuous frequency distribution means distribution with classes. Now formula is Z is equal to, mode is denoted by capital Z. So Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H or C also we can write. Now first of all, let us describe the formula. Let us understand what is formula. L is lower limit of model class. Now what is model class? Model class is a class which contains highest frequency. When we will see example, at that time you will understand it very nicely. H is class length, means class length, that means upper boundary point minus lower boundary point. F1 is frequency of model class. F0 is frequency of class preceding the model class, and F2 is frequency of the class next to model class. This is description of formula. Now let us understand it with example. That is example 5 of your textbook. Family size and number of families. Now family size is 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11 classes. Number of families are 7, 8, 2, 2 and 1. Now L. In the formula, L was lower limit of model class. And what was model class? Model class is a class with highest frequency. Now you can see here that 8. Among all the frequencies, 8 is highest. Now as 8 is highest, that means this class is model class. Now as this class is model class and these are exclusive classes, so this is first of all 3, your lower limit L. Now next was F1. F1 is frequency of model class. Now as this is model class, its frequency is F1. F0 is the frequency previous to the model class, so 7 is your F0. Next F2 is frequency next to the model class, so 2. And now H. H is class length. Now what is class length? Class length is upper boundary point minus lower boundary point. Now as here classes are exclusive, therefore upper boundary point is your upper limit only and lower boundary point is your lower limit. So 5 minus 3, that is your 2, is H or C. Now let us keep these values in formula. So Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let us substitute all the values. So 3 plus F1 is 8, F0 is 7 upon 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2, so minus 9. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Numerator is to be multiplied with numerator, so 1 into 2 is 2. Now 2 divided by 7 is 0.286. Therefore 3 plus 0.286 is 3.286. So mode of this data is 3.286.